Here came through, and the power is actually not out. We're waiting for the power company to come and disconnect up there and shut that hot down so we can clean these limbs up, try to reclaim some of the garden. And as usual, the women are fighting. I don't know, it got twisted. I think we had a little mini, I don't know if we had a tornado or not, but we had high winds. I'm not sure how I'm going to get that bad boy down, but when we get a look at things, normally there's a power pole sitting right there with the electric meter on it. And that's underneath all of that tree, right in through there somewhere. I'm amazed that it didn't pull water down. We never lost power in the house during this storm, and we still got power in this building. Nancy's craft room is there, and my storage shed is the other side of that. But yeah, it's an interesting deal. I'm going to try to get on the back side of this so we're not looking into the sun. Maybe that shade will help us. Yeah, I really don't want to go any farther. I can't see the cable that's underneath there. Right there, the cable runs under there. It runs over back to that corner where the utility pole is. The electric company claims they'll have this straightened out by midnight. Oh, there's the power pole. I see it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see all the wiring. The irony of this was they had just replaced the electric meters. We have two of them here, one right in there somewhere, and one behind me that feeds the house and the stable. I don't know, just a lot of hard work in front of us. I was looking for some firewood to buy, but I think I'll hold off on making any purchases just yet. I'll get this cleaned up. Eventually we'll burn all of this in our wood stove. But there's another log up in front of the house, or another tree. Two trees came down up there. We're not in any danger with them, and I've already started whacking them up. Well, it was 91 today. It was 100 yesterday and 91 today. I'm only out about long enough to burn one tank of gas in the chainsaw. About all I can take. This is all the garden we have left that I know of. We've got some peppers here, and we've got some taters right there, and then in the baskets, of course, we've got tomatoes. So we didn't lose everything. That's a good thing. And we're healthy and wealthy, so. I got the tourists here taking pictures.
Come on this way, Beth.
And we lost a couple of neat little apple trees right over here. Oh. I was talking to my camera. Jeezy, Pete. Yeah. Boy, it hit that thing and twisted around. The front part of this tree, the winds are coming out of the south.
Oh, they're under all that. Oh, man. Look it. Oh, man. Totally broke off. Oh.
Yeah, we planted a couple little apple trees, and looks like we lost those bad boys. But